Okay, we did a two-part assembly machine. We had a medical company come to us and they wanted to increase their production rates. It's existing machines that were only doing one-ups, and we built a machine that does 4 at a time. It was to insert a filter that had a round end and a flat end. We wanted to insert them with the round end down, which is very difficult to feed. One of the interesting parts about that machine is we used a twin servo infeed. We used 2 rotary pocketed wheels to feed the products in at such a rate because it was a high volume machine. It would index at 60 indexes per minute, and it would feed 4 up, so you got 240 parts per minute coming off of this machine.
We were able to quadruple the production with this machine.
And it was all fully inspected and assembled. A lot of people that actually approach us and not really sure how to solve their problem. They explain their problems out, and then we sort through it, and sometimes we actually visit their facility to see what they're exactly explaining and to make sure that we can nail it. And sometimes we find other things that they didn't tell us, and that might be causing another issue, or we might be able to do it more efficiently because we see something that in the process that we can utilize. But it all starts with taking the first step. And the first step is to give us a call, because the consultations are free.
We're here to build you the best automation machine we can.
We want to solve your problem.